Hello, this is Brian Hegney, Instructor of Communication at High Point University. This is the fourth video. I believe it's the fourth video. And actually I'm doing this a little bit out of order, so I don't know. But in this video, I do want to show you something really cool. If you're my class, this will be important because this is how you will turn in your project to me. So far we've done things like we've changed the animation or the flip books of our character, and we're able to walk around and jump and fall and run and idle and stuff like that. We didn't change any of the platforms out. We haven't done our own background or anything like that. Okay, but we will. But when you're ready, I just want you to know how cool this is. Number one, we are going to just export this, or we are going to build an HTML5 version of this. And so I want to make sure your settings, you have a couple settings that I have. Go to project settings, and this is what I've always been told is for HTML5, so hopefully this is right for everything. But let's go to packaging in project settings. Again, if you didn't see that, you have to click settings, project settings, and I'm going to go to packaging. And what we want to do is set the build configuration to shipping so that it's actually going to be a finished build, because we will be finishing it. Okay, so shipping is good. Use pack file should not be checked. Do not use pack file. This is specifically for uploading to itch.io using Unreal Engine 4, and we're using 4.22. Honestly, I was using 4.18, and for the 2D flipbook template, it never worked. I was going insane trying to figure that out. And I don't know if there was something wrong with 4.18, but that's why you can't use it, and that's why I'm so thrilled the 4.22 is working. I think I was using even 4.20 and 4.21, and none of them had a working 2D flipbook HTML5 build upload to itch.io properly. So anyways, do not use pack file. I think that is checked for you, so you do have to uncheck it. Down here at the bottom, there's HTML5 under platforms. Just make sure packaging is not enabled. So this just is because if you read the documentation, it does tell you to check that, I believe. And maybe I'm wrong, but I know one of them was supposed to be checked, pack or packaging. It's just itch.io doesn't like it, so we're not going to do it. So don't compress files during shipping packaging. Okay, those are the only two things. All right. Did I say two? Those are the only three things to make sure. Now, all we're going to do is click File, Package Project, and choose HTML5. Clicky. Now, the window's going to open up. It should open up to where your project is. I have an HTML file there. It's just going to overwrite everything, which is fine for me. You might not have an HTML file there. Just say Select Folder. It's going to put it into wherever your project is. Mine just is called my422_2D project. I don't know what yours is called, but that's what mine's called. This is actually going to happen pretty quickly. If you want to, you can see the output log. Nothing bad should be happening. I've been testing this for a long time, and it should work pretty quickly. I'm not even going to pause my video because this should be really quick. Yeah, there it is. So if yours isn't that quick, it could be because the first time you do it, it will take about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. The second time you do it, it's actually going to go as fast as it did for me, depending on how much content you actually have in your build. Okay, so close that. Let me show you what it did. Let's go into here. Alright, so what it did was it created this HTML5 document. Also, let me just delete this. Sorry. HTML5. And it created all of these files except for this file. Sorry, don't pay attention to that one. It just so happens for itch.io, we need to rename the HTML file, and we need to just left-click it and rename it index, lowercase everything, INDEX. .html. If you're on a terrible computer that thinks you're an idiot and doesn't show you the file names, then go ahead and just make sure you're renaming the HTML file. Okay? That's the first step. All you do is rename it to index.html. Next, go up in the hierarchy, and what you're going to do is zip up that whole HTML5 folder. For me, I have 7-zip installed. Oh, no I don't. Why don't I have 7-zip installed? Sorry, 7-zip. So I'm just going to say send to compressed folder. However you do it, it should be a zip folder, though. Not a 7z folder, a zip folder. And it's going to name it html5.zip. Yay. I have the zip folder. The next step is to go to itchio.com. Where are you? Okay, I don't. Here's mine. Here's mine. And you can see it's working in there, right? I'm just going to go to my username. Now, if you don't have an itchio, itchio.com, or https. Okay, how would you find it? Just Google itchio. itch.io. Hit enter. Oh, and it goes right there. Wonderful. Go ahead and choose, I don't know, create a profile. Do amazing things. Create a profile, blah, blah, blah. You will go to, you'll go to our Jam site, and I haven't shared it with you yet, so you don't know it. But what I'm going to do is go to my, you could upload a new project just to try it out. So go upload new project. And you'll create, you'll say a title, it'll give you a project URL. And I'm actually going to go to, I'm going to go to my other one. Where's my library? No. Where's my stuff? Go to my dashboard. This is the, no. Sorry, my dashboard. Okay, blocks test. This is the one I'm working on. So I'm working on one of them. So it's going to say title, URL, description. I don't have a description. You will have a description. A classification. Yes, this is going to be a game. It's HTML game, right? Not a Flash game, not Java, not Unity, not downloadable. People should play this. So HTML. And it says you have a zip or an HTML file. So we're going to have a zip file we're going to add. It is in development. Mine is. Yours will be kind of finished, right? So yours will be released, or maybe an early prototype for a character. That might be fine. Put suggested donation as 0. Unless you want people to donate. Well, no, because I want to be able to look at it and not ask to be, 0 or donate. Okay. Just put 0. And here's my upload, so I'm going to delete this file. Okay. So when you get to uploads, this is the important part. Upload a zip file containing your game. There must be an index.html file in the zip. And that's what we just did in the window. So let's go upload. We'll find our HTML5 zip. That's the one that has the index in there. It will upload. We need to say this file will be played in the browser. And embed in page, manually set size, auto detect. Oh, that's Unity only. Okay, never mind. And let's say automatically start on page load. Should we add a full screen button? Let's just see. I'm not sure. And mobile friendly. Maybe. I don't know. No, let's not do that. Oh, only if it's touch support. Okay. And then write a description of your game. No genre. Add some tags. And I'm going to keep mine at draft. You will, draft is fine. And you click save. And when you view your page, this is where I hope it freaking works. And if it doesn't, I'm going to go cry. Oh, good. There's the little expandy. Let's see what it does. All right. Hey, there's my little dude. You jump. Yay. Jump. Ah! Jump. Ah! Jump. Ah! Jump. Ah! There we go. Let's see what it looks like if we expand it. Okay. All right. And so that is how you upload a game to itch.io for your 2D project. So I hope you enjoyed this, and have a good day. Bye!